Welcome to this lesson on EC2 Reserved Instances. In this video, we'll explore how long-term commitments can help you save significantly on your AWS compute costs for predictable workloads. Reserved instances are a key cost optimization strategy in the AWS compute series, and understanding them will help you make smart decisions about your cloud infrastructure spending. So what exactly are reserved instances? A reserved instance is a billing discount that gets applied to your on-demand instances. In exchange for committing to use specific instance types in a particular region for either 1 or 3 years, you receive substantial cost savings. You can save up to 72% compared to standard on-demand pricing. Reserved instances are ideal for steady-state, predictable workloads where you know you'll need consistent compute capacity over time. When purchasing reserved instances, you have 2 commitment term options. The 1-year term provides a moderate discount and is great for shorter commitments and testing workloads. The 3-year term offers maximum savings and is best suited for proven workloads where you're confident about long-term resource requirements. The longer you commit, the more you save, but you need to carefully evaluate your needs before locking in a multi-year commitment. Reserved instances offer 3 flexible payment options to match your cash flow preferences. The all-upfront option requires you to pay the entire cost at the start of the term and provides the highest discount. Partial upfront is a balanced approach where you pay a portion upfront and the rest monthly throughout the term. No upfront allows you to pay monthly over the entire term without any initial payment, offering the most flexibility but the lowest discount among the 3 options. Choose the payment model that aligns with your budget and financial planning. There are 2 types of reserved instances to choose from. Standard reserved instances offer the best discount, up to 72%, but come with less flexibility. Once purchased, you're locked into a fixed instance type and region. Convertible reserved instances provide more flexibility, allowing you to change instance families and modify instance attributes during the term. However, this flexibility comes at the cost of a lower discount, up to 54%. Choose standard for maximum savings when your requirements are stable, or convertible when you need the ability to adapt to changing workload needs. Reserved instances can be purchased with either regional or zonal scope. Regional reserved instances apply to any availability zone within the specified region, offering more flexibility and the ability to benefit from AWS capacity reservations across the entire region. Zonal reserved instances are tied to a specific availability zone and provide a capacity reservation guarantee, ensuring that you'll always have the resources available when you need them in that particular zone. Regional scope is typically preferred for its flexibility, while zonal is ideal when you need guaranteed capacity in a specific location. Let's look at some ideal use cases for reserved instances. Databases that run 24/7 with consistent resource needs are perfect candidates. Web servers with always-on application servers and steady traffic patterns benefit greatly from reserved instance pricing. Enterprise applications that are business-critical with predictable usage should leverage reserved instances for cost optimization. Analytics platforms running long-duration data processing and analytics workloads also make excellent use of reserved instances. The common thread is predictability. Any workload with steady, consistent usage over time is a strong candidate for reserved instance savings. Before purchasing reserved instances, keep these important considerations in mind. There are no refunds. The commitment is binding for the full term, so plan carefully. If you have unused standard reserved instances, you can sell them to other AWS users through the reserved instance marketplace to recoup some costs. Right sizing is critical. Analyze your usage patterns thoroughly before committing to specific instance types to avoid paying for capacity you don't need. Finally, consider combining strategies. Use reserved instances for your baseline capacity requirements and on-demand instances to handle traffic spikes and variable workloads. This hybrid approach maximizes both cost savings and operational flexibility.
If you like this video, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.